Hey guys, I'm Jenny Wolek with the Wolek Group, Keller Williams Realty Advantage. As you can see, I've got the whole team here. Today, we're going to talk about how the Wolek Group offers virtual services at every step in the real estate process. During these ever-changing times, we're making sure you don't have to worry about placing your real estate needs on pause.
Yes, friends, the Wolek Group is proud to bring you our new virtual showings. We are offering virtual house tours of our active listings and premier open houses each week. Enjoy your house tours from the comfort of your home on your phone, tablet, TV, or computer.
Also, having a virtual consultation is easy. If you have questions about the buying or selling process, we're here for you. We offer digital consultations that will allow you to sit in the comfort of your home and ask questions and allow us to walk you through the process of buying or selling your home virtually.
Feeling in control and thoroughly educated during your home purchase or sale is our priority. I'm so excited.
And don't forget, our buyer specialists will preview the homes you're interested in viewing and send you a video walkthrough. Want to tour the home with us? We'll call, text, or video conference you in to answer any questions you have.
You can also explore all the current homes for sale or find out the value of your home through our website, thewolekgroup.com.
We're here to help you during these challenging days. We know that you may still have a need to buy a home or sell a home, and we're here for you every step of the way. If you need anything from us, give us a call at 918-706-9845. We can't wait to talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
See ya.